In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix R3 on a PlayStation 4 controller for Fortnite. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble with the keybinds on a PlayStation 4 controller, all that you have to do is ensure that they are properly set up inside of the game settings. So first, before I start teaching you this method, I do want to make it very clear that I am recording this video on my PC. But don't worry, this method is also going to apply if you are playing with the DualShock 4 on the actual console. So even if you are just playing on a PlayStation 4, you are also going to be able to follow my steps. All that you have to do is go over to the menu, access the settings, and then switch over to the controller mapping category. In here, you will be able to properly fix your R3 binds. Of course, make sure that the controller binding preset is set to custom, because if it is on anything else, all of them will be predetermined and you won't be able to access them. As long as you have the binding presets on custom, you will be able to go over to any category. So you have general, building, edit, emote, miscellaneous, writing, creative input actions, gyro, and then LTM. It is extremely simple. Once you go over to any of these settings, all that you have to do is select the specific setting, and then once you get this prompt, press any button, press down on R3. As you can see, for me, it is already bound to something else, so I'm just going to decline this. But all that you have to do is this. You will also be able to see the R3 button light up on the controller icon at the right side of the screen whenever you bind it to something else and you hover over it. This confirms that the R3 key is bound to this specific action. Like I said, you will be able to browse through all of these categories and bind them accordingly, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. You can change this later, and not only R3 but other buttons are going to be available to be bound to certain actions. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix R3 on a PlayStation 4 controller Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.